Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Everything Bagel with cream cheese. So, got this here, I'll take a little bite out of it because it's really good. And the Everything Bagel comes with like poppy seed, garlic, a bunch of other stuff on it that makes it a much better bagel than just a plain one in my opinion because it's got all that flavor. So, this is the bagel here, and it came with 2 light Philadelphia cream cheese, so I want to try it with and without that, get my honest review on it. So, the bagel itself, even alone, nothing on it. It's got a lot of flavor. All the seeds on the back, and sesame seeds, poppy seed. It's got a nice garlic flavor to it. It's a pretty good bagel, honestly. And I'm going to add on some Philadelphia spread to a nice little plastic knife here. And let's put it on it. Shouldn't smell like cream cheese, doesn't smell amazing. Alright, we'll get this all cream cheesed up. So, have that on there. Tastes pretty good with cream cheese too. Very sweet. Yeah, it's very flavorful. Pretty good bagel. Honestly, wish they had like bagel sandwiches like Tim Hortons does because those are real good. Double smoked ham and bacon, or double smoked ham, be really good on a bagel. So yeah, the Everything Bagel from Starbucks, I would give that an 8 out of 10. It tastes pretty good, very similar to every other Everything Bagel out there, but with the own Starbucks twist to it. It's got a good flavor, and it's got a good texture too. Not a whole lot to say about a bagel. It's very similar to many other bagels out there, so if you're a bagel fan, Starbucks is a good one there. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.